on.
You have the right to no longer be a respawn. With war crimes. You were wanted. Damn it.
They don't make Russian handcuffs, do they?
What?
They don't make handcuffs to hold Russians.
What?
I said I never committed war crimes. She wanted it.
Spider-Man versus Spider-Man.
I'm a Russia!
The ultimate showdown of shape-shifting power. Chaos unleashed with a venom strike. Blast with webs like Spider-Man. One final move and the power shifts. Spider-Man venomized. Marvel figures and roleplay each sold separately. Eyewear recommended.
Get down.
A successful shindig doesn't happen by accident. Walmart Plus members get free delivery on more than just groceries. So I can order a Gouda